Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, there is carcinoma breast risk assessment models. So, according to carcinoma breast risk assessment models, so in this first we have Gail's model. Okay, Gail model is actually the most frequently used model. This Gail model is most frequently used model, and this model will incorporate. This model contains the following. This model contains number one, it includes age of menarche, then it includes number of breast biopsies, age of the patient at the first live birth, then number of first degree relatives, the number of first degree relatives with breast carcinoma, and this Gale model will predict about the it predicts the cumulative risk of breast carcinoma. How much is the breast carcinoma? The risk of the breast cancer, according to the decade of life, is predicted by this Gale model.
thank you and thank you for watching.